Hi guys, welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you this amazing DIY body scrub for a glowy skin. If this sounds interesting, kindly subscribe, like, share and comment. So let's get started. Hi, welcome. So in today's video I'll be showing you how I made this amazing smelling nice body scrub. I use this for my skincare routine. Okay, I don't know if you have seen it. If you've not seen it, I'm gonna click the video somewhere. Yes, so let's go to the kitchen where I make this amazing delicious DIY sugar scrub. It's a strawberry sugar body scrub. Yeah, so let's get started. If you're new here, hi, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're new, turn up the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So guys, grab a seat, let's go smell amazing. So far I've already blended my strawberry. Okay, so I'm adding 2 cups of sugar. Sugar is what's gonna help us to exfoliate our skin. Okay, I'm adding coconut oil for moisture. I use 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Yeah, this is the coconut oil I used. So coconut oil helps for moisture, to keep your body moisturized. Then after this is what we have. I'll be adding my shower gel. Okay, if you have black soap, you can use black soap for this. So I'm using my shower gel. This is the shower gel I'm using, deep moisturizing shower gel from Dove. I'm going to mix all this together. I will be leaving the benefits of strawberry on this cream, so you can see that strawberry is amazing for our skin. It helps to remove any dark spot you have on your body. It helps to moisturize your body. So far, I hope this video was quite helpful and you enjoy the rest of the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new one, and also like and comment and share. So I added a little bit more of my shower gel. Okay, so this is what we have. I'll just mix all of this together, and this is the consistency of what we have. I love the consistency, and this smells so good. Like, this was so amazing for the skin. Yeah, so I'm going to be turning this in my container. I store this in my fridge for it not to get bad. I have been using this and my skin, oh my god, after bath, after I shower, this keeps me smelling so good. Like, my skin feels so moisturized, my skin feels so soft. And this is what we have, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. So thank you all so much for watching, and keep watching, guys. So yeah, this is me in the shower. I'm just showing you guys how to use. I did a full video of my shower routine. Please do well to watch that video out. Okay, so this is me just using it to scrub my body. I smell so good, like it smells so divine. So please, washing all the area. I know I have like dark acne and the rest, and after I use this to scrub my body feels so soft, so moisturized. And thank you all so much for watching. Please enjoy the rest of the vlog.
Understanding, you respected every boundary. You so exciting, wasn't expecting.
So guys, I'm done with today's skincare routine. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section. So I hope this video was a bit informative, and hope you enjoy every little details of this video. Yeah, all right, so I'll see you in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're new. Turn up the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and also like and comment and share. So let's keep smelling amazing, guys. What do you think of my skin? See you in my next one. Bye.